feet down. Watch. Put your feet down. And then they don't fall. Watch. Put them on the ground. Yeah. Then he won't fall. Cool, huh?
What do you think, bud? You like your new bike? It's pretty cool.
Here, wait right here. I'll be right back. Show mommy how you do it.
Yeah, show me how you do it. Use your feet. Oh, yes, you're getting it. Good job. Wait, yeah, that's true. If you go on the street, you get a spanking. Because it's not safe.
I just stay on the sidewalk.
Right. You gotta stay on the sidewalk.
And go back over here.
Whoop! Careful.
And go back over here. And then this car. And
Daddy has a skateboard. Let's watch Daddy on his skateboard.
Max, you can ride your bike and I'll ride my skateboard. Whoa! Daddy almost crashed and burned. No, you don't want to crash and burn.
Daddy can't go on the street.
Why?
Because Knox can't go on the street, so it's not fair.
No, just go that way.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Yeah.
Good job, Doodle.
So cute.